In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily add a PC icon on your Windows. So let's get started. So we're going to place it on the desktop. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate personalization. Scroll down and here you can find themes. Click on themes. Scroll down and you'll find desktop icon settings. Click on that. And here you'll find all the desktop icons. And then you'll find computer or this PC. This one. Then you just have to click on apply and then OK. And then once we go back to the desktop, here the this PC icon is now on the desktop and you can easily access to it. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.